Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to block pop-ups and third-party redirects in Tor browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10 if websites are opening unwanted pop-ups or automatically redirecting you to other pages. Don't worry, Tor browser includes a built-in setting to prevent this. So let's get started. First, open Tor browser on your PC. After that, click on triple line horizontal menu in the top right corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under Tor settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, scroll down to the permissions section. Here, check the option that says block pop-ups and third-party redirects. Clicking on the exceptions button, you can add any website address to exception. After that, you can close the settings app. That's it. From now on, Tor browser will automatically block unwanted pop-ups and prevent most third-party redirect attempts while you browse. This improves your browsing experience and adds an extra layer of privacy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gear Up Windows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.